brother with a parrot. His name is Tariq Wardle. His mom went to the graveyard to visit her grandmother's grave. When she came home, she told Tariq that the parrot was acting different. He instantly remembered the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ when he said, when the kuffar are put in their graves, everything can hear their screams and their shouts except al-thaqalain, al-ins wal-jinn. So he took the parrot back to the graveyard and he recorded. Watch what happened. See now, subhanAllah, the parrot before he was happy. Now look.
Her behavior just changed. Now she's nuts.
Allahu Akbar. See what he's saying? The behavior of the parrot changed. She's not happy anymore.
I'm getting creeped out right now.
SubhanAllah. You know how parrots, they mimic the voice that they hear? Look at the screams, the high-pitched screams.
That's great. She's looking down.
Allahu Akbar. Allah. Allah. Oh my God.
Allahu Akbar, what is he seeing? Allahu Akbar.
Oh, she's getting scared.
Over here. She's tripping.
Share this video, my brothers and sisters. Hopefully it will be a reminder.